Hello everyone, your girl Tay here. Welcome back to another Let's Talk Wild podcast episode. Today is January the 12th, 2023, and this is episode 17, California's 2023 fur ban, the Assembly Bill 44 breakdown. For this episode, I'll be discussing California, the Golden State, continuing to shine a light on animal rights and banning the sale of new products made with animal fur. But before we get into that, make sure you guys follow and subscribe to the podcast on all podcasting and social media platforms. Also hit the YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and check out some videos over there once you're done listening over here, okay? Now let's talk wild. On January 1st, 2023, the state of California's Assembly Bill 44 officially kicked into effect. The new law prohibits the making and sale of new products made with animal fur. California's previous laws required that fur products be labeled with the names of any animals used, the manufacturers, the country of origin, and other needed information. It was unlawful to import into the state for commercial purposes, to possess with intent to sell, or to sell within the state the dead body or any part or product of specific species of animals. It required every person other than a fur dealer who traps fur-bearing mammals or non-game mammals designated by the Fish and Game Commission, or who sells raw furs of those mammals, to procure a trapping license from the Department of Fish and Wildlife. Democrat and Assembly member Laura Friedman sponsored the bill, and it received a majority vote. It passed the Assembly on May 28, 2019, passed the Senate on September 10, 2019, and was signed by the governor on October 12, 2019. Now let's break down the new law. The new law describes fur as any animal skin or part with hair, fleece, or fur fibers attached, either in its raw or processed state. Fur products means an article of clothing or covering for any part of the body or any fashion accessory, including but not limited to handbags, shoes, slippers, hats, earmuffs, scarves, shawls, gloves, jewelry, keychains, toys, trinkets, and home accessories and decor that is made in whole or in part of fur. Fur products does not include dog or cat fur products, animal skin or part that is to be converted into leather, which in processing will have the hair, fleece, or fur fiber completely removed, cowhide, deer skin, sheepskin, or goat skin with hair attached, the pelt or skin of an animal preserved through taxidermy. Taxidermy means the practice of preparing, stuffing, and mounting the skin in lifelike form of any fish, reptile, amphibian, bird, or mammal. Ultimate consumer means a person who buys for their own use or for the use of another, but not for resale or trade. Used fur products means fur in any form that has been worn or used by an ultimate consumer. It is unlawful to sell, offer for sale, display for sale, trade, or otherwise distribute for monetary or non-monetary consideration a fur product in the state, in store, and online. It is unlawful to manufacture a fur product in the state for sale. Any new fur is unlawful. You cannot produce any more new fur products. A person who violates the new law may be subject to the following civil penalties. The first violation, $500. The second violation, $750. The third violation, $1,000. Each fur product that constitutes a violation shall be treated as a separate violation. In lieu of seeking prosecution of a violation as a misdemeanor, the department, the attorney general, or the city attorney of the city or the district attorney or the county council of the county in which a violation occurs may bring a civil action to recover the civil penalty. The civil action shall be brought in the county in which the violation occurs, and any penalty imposed shall be transferred to the controller for deposit in the Fish and Game Preservation Fund in accordance with the section 13001 and used exclusively for the purpose described in section 1771 and for the enforcement of this section. In addition to the penalty, the reasonable cost of investigation, reasonable attorney fees, and reasonable expert witness fees may also be recovered. Those amounts shall be credited to the same operating funds as those from which the expenditures for those purposes were derived. The prohibitions do not apply to any of the following: a used fur product, a fur product used for religious purposes, a fur product used for traditional, tribal, cultural, or spiritual purposes by a member of a federally recognized Native American tribe or a non-federally recognized California Native American tribe listed on the California Tribal Consultation List maintained by the Native American Heritage Commission, and any activity expressly authorized by federal law. A person who sells or trades any used fur product or fur product described in the prohibitions that do not apply to the law shall maintain a record of each sale or trade of one of those exempt fur products for at least 1 year. Woo, that was a lot. We got through it though. We got through it. That was a lot to break down, but we got through it. Now it's time for, y'all already know, Tay's Wild Thoughts, okay? So the state of California, once again, setting the bar and looking out for animals and animal rights. They usually set the standard and then other states follow, like New York. But congratulations to all the, animal rights activists that have been fighting to end the fur trade. It's still work to be done, but this win was a big one, okay? Now, I know some of the girls and guys might be in an uproar about the new ban, but let's get into some more facts because, we was breaking down the bill. I was breaking down the bill for y'all. Let's put it in, simpler terms for you guys. You can still buy and wear leather products, and you can still wear the fur products you already own, okay? So calm down. And if you're into thrifting, recycling, and reusing, you can still buy that vintage fur from secondhand stores and thrift shops, okay? Not this wet mouth, honey, child. Let me get me some water. Take a little sip of water. But it's nothing wrong with faux fur, okay? Fashion with faux fur has changed so much through the years, and it's not a downgrade at all. It used to be like looked at as a downgrade. It's not. And faux fur can be luxurious and expensive. So this stigma that it can't be, those things is ridiculous. I love me a good old faux fur jacket, a faux fur vest and coat. And y'all already know my motto. Y'all already know what I'm ready to say. The earth is warming. You don't need a fur. Get a what? Everybody say it with me. A bikini. Yes. But you guys, let me know how you feel about today's topic, California's 2023 fur ban, the Assembly Bill 44 breakdown. Leave a comment on the Let's Talk Wild Instagram and YouTube channel. Make sure you guys follow and subscribe to the podcast on all podcasting and social media platforms. Love yourself, love one another, your pets, and the animals. I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.